Here are two more sweet and savory, quick and easy breakfast ideas. Let's get cooking. For the first recipe, we're making vegan fried egg. You will need nutritional yeast, corn flour, oil, water, turmeric, and black salt, and tofu slices cut into circles for your whites. Mix the corn flour with the water. Pour it in your saucepan. Add the turmeric, oil, nutritional yeast. Whisk everything together. Cook the sauce until it gets thick. The list of ingredients and the quantities will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Once the sauce is thick, take it out in a bowl. In a tiny bit of oil, fry your tofu slices on both sides. Flip the tofu slice. Now with a small spoon, try to scoop out a tiny bit of circle from your tofu slice. Now add a teaspoon of your yolk mixture into the center of the tofu slice. And your vegan fried egg is ready. Now for the second part, you will need pinto beans, chopped onions, tomatoes, and salt and pepper, bread, sliced tomatoes, and salad greens, and the fried eggs that we made earlier. In a small bowl, add your pinto beans and mash them with the help of a fork. Add the chopped onions and tomatoes and mix everything together. Sprinkle a dash of pepper and salt. Mix everything together again and your bean spread is ready. The bread slices are already toasted. On one slice, add half of the bean mixture and spread. Add a slice of tomato, top it with the salad greens, and place your fried egg on top. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, and your vegan fried egg bean toast is ready. For the second recipe, we are going to make homemade granola. You will need rolled oats, pecans, walnuts, and almonds roughly chopped, salt, cinnamon powder, pumpkin seeds, maple syrup, hemp seeds, coconut oil, and vanilla essence. In a large mixing bowl, add the rolled oats and your chopped nuts, pumpkin seed, hemp seeds, salt, and cinnamon powder. Mix everything well together. Add the vanilla essence, coconut oil, and maple syrup. Mix everything well together. Bake this mixture in a 350-degree oven. The list of ingredients and quantities will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Spread the granola mixture evenly on your baking tray. After 10 minutes, take it out and mix everything together. Let it cool completely and store it in an airtight container. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.